Ellis May back at it again with another cooking OFTV for you. But this time I am joined with a very special guest, my girl Chelsea Waves. She is an incredible surfer based out of Costa Rica. So I'm here in Costa visiting her, and we decided why not make a fun little smoothie out of Costa Rican fruit. So do you mind explaining to us a little bit about what we have today?
Yes, so we've been having so much fun here. Yesterday we went to a little market and we got dragon fruit.
All organic.
Yeah, grown organically. Then we got mangosteen. So we're gonna open this up and show you what it looks like because it's pretty surprising. And then we have passion fruit. So
Passion from miles away. Phew, passive with the things you say. Hey.
So we're gonna put some passion fruit in the smoothie. And then we have a big, giant mango. Woo! Costa Rican mango.
I'm so excited for this.
Okay, and then we have a pineapple. So Ellis asked yesterday, she's like, how do you tell if a pineapple's ripe? There's a couple different ways. If you go to the grocery store and you're able to pull out the top really easily with like not a lot of effort, it's ready. And then the smell, it needs to smell
super sweet. Super sweet.
And then it's ready. Not fermented, sweet. Show me how to make an incredible smoothie.
Okay, awesome. So first things first, I think we should prep some of this fruit. So I think we just need a cutting board, a knife, and just start opening them all. So what's so exciting about this, a lot of these fruits I haven't really seen before, I'm sure you haven't really seen before, and there's different ways to open all of these fruits, right? So let's kind of get into that, shall we?
Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna grab a cutting board quickly. You grab a knife.
Yeah.
And the first fruit that we're gonna open up is mangosteen.
Awesome.
So you put your nails into the fruit and you push off the lid. You're gonna find these little pouches of fruit, okay?
The texture is very like, I don't want to say slimy.
It is slimy. It's slimy, it's sweet, and it's a little sour.
It kind of tastes like grapes a little bit. I'm gonna start by putting some water into the blender along with a little bit of ice, and then we're gonna start throwing the fruit in. We left the big ice in the car and it's officially melted, so luckily though we froze a Tupperware container of ice, so we're gonna use this instead.
Perfect. Yes! Good job.
Thank you. A little bit of ice. Okay, so we're gonna start by putting the mangosteen, right?
Yep,
We're gonna
mangosteen.
start by putting the mangosteen in the blender. Let's go, fruit number one. Okay, now let's talk about the next fruit that we have here.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit, delicious.
That in.
So with passion fruit, you don't have to worry about the seeds. You can eat it all, and it literally looks just like, honestly looks like watermelon seeds inside of a little bag of goop.
A little bag of goop.
Very tasty. So now we're just gonna add the passion fruit to the blender.
Let's put this one in too.
Yeah.
Now for the pitaya, or dragon fruit.
Beautiful, beautiful, bright pink color. So you have to be a little bit careful when you cut it because it will stain you. But let's cut this bad boy open. Look at these colors.
A hack to not getting too dirty when you deal with dragon fruit is sticking a spoon in it and then just doing a nice little circle here. You can see those pink juices, and we're gonna plop that into the smoothie. Look at that color.
Look at this beautiful, beautiful, vibrant color. This is going to be one delicious smoothie. I cannot wait either. Okay, what do we have next?
Well, since you're Canadian, why don't you talk about the strawberries?
So they also are grown in Costa Rica.
They're also grown here, but specialized in Canada. I think we have the best strawberries.
Yeah, so the next one, exactly. We're Canadian gal. She lives in Costa Rica, but we're both Canadian. And strawberry farms are super big over there. As a child, I would always go strawberry picking in the fall. But it's also a fruit grown locally to Costa Rica. So naturally, I was like, let's get a little familiar with it. Let's add a little strawberries. And all we're gonna do is just cut off the stems.
Here.
Yummy, yummy. Okay, last but not least, it is time for the mango. Look at how beautiful this mango looks. Mango is one of my favorite fruit, grown also organically and locally to Costa Rica as well. So this should be super fresh and I cannot wait. Should we do the more ripe one, Tinker?
Yes, so we should use this more ripe one. You can tell obviously it has a little speckling. In Costa Rica, it's kind of funny because the mangoes that look perfect that are in like the stores in the States and Canada aren't necessarily the ones that are ripe and ready here. This one's gonna be sweeter, more juicy because it was ready to naturally fall off the vine. Mm-hmm. So the way to properly cut mango so that you never get it in your teeth when you're eating it is like this. Woo. So you make some vertical cuts and then you do a little crisscross. Ellis, do you want to work on putting this all in?
Yes, let's do it. Look at how beautiful the color of this mango is. It is so fresh. Okay, so we're done this smoothie. We just have to blend it. Now it's time to blend it up. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Now it's finally time for the moment I know we've all been waiting for. Let's try this bad boy out. Look at how beautiful the colors are. I am so excited. It's getting real messy up in here. Finally time to taste it. It tastes so fresh, so organic. See the flavor. The best way to describe it is, see how pretty this looks? If you can turn the way this looks into a taste, that is what it tastes like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had as much fun as we did. Don't forget to subscribe to both of our OnlyFans. I'm at Ellis and this is Chelsea Waves XO. We've been in Costa Rica making the most incredible content that, trust me, you don't want to miss. Anyways, I think we have to head out now and chug these smoothies because I can't wait another second. They're so delicious.
Cheers.
Cheers.